Y'all finna spray this rose water everywhere, honey. We finna spray it up, spray it up. Ooh, spray it up, spray it up. Spray it up, spray it up. Spray it up, spray it up. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail. Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. I'm Elaine Michelle. If this is your very first time, make sure you click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. So today we're going to be getting into the fancy plans. I almost said Little Miss Fancy Plans, but y'all, she is elevated. She taking us up. She said, ain't no more little. We ain't little nothing. We going up. We going big time, okay? And she has a subscription-like box that I am so excited I got my hands on. I missed the last one. And y'all, let me tell y'all, we talk often. And I was like, how did I miss this? Like, I don't even know. So this time I started, look, I'm not missing this one. If you got to take all my coins, if I got to come there and get it myself, I'm going to get this box. So I was able to get this box and I'm so excited to show you guys so you can see what my girl has been working on. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we open it up. We have a card. It says, thank you so much for your purchase from Fancy Plans. Take 10% off your next purchase. Okay. That's cool. 10% off your next purchase. And then she has the card on here and it looks like it shows you everything that's going to be included. Maybe look at this card. It's so cute. Oh, I'm here for that. Okay. You have your nice rose gold packaging. I got the A5 version of this. So I'm not really sure what other sizes came in it. I was trying to click real fast. I saw A5 and I kept it moving. So let me take this up, pull this box off here. Pull this out of the paper. All right, so this is the home edition. So we have this first sheet, which looks like, ooh, this looks like some vellum. Let's open this up. Hopefully I'm not like ruining it by doing this way. Okay, so this is a vellum sheet. Oh, this is so cute with this cute like rose gold paper to go behind it. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so this is like your beginning dashboard. So super cute. All right, and then we have, oh, okay. This is one of the plastic dividers that she has. Okay, okay. And this is one of the plastic dividers, so you can put in front of something or behind it. That's, look how clear it is. It's just so cool. You can't even see it, so I put my hand on it. Oh, I love it. Okay. So we have that there. I'll use that to put in front of that paper. Then we have who we are, our mission, and our core goals. Now this is on some very nice cardstock. This is giving me all the Notique feels up and through here. Now y'all know I like a good quality piece of paper. This is beautiful. Okay, can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And it has like the dots on it, like the dot grid on there for you to write on. And it says who we are, our mission, and our core values, because this is for your home. So then you would put like your family name up there and when it was established. That's so cute. I might need to wait till I give me a till my husband gets delivered. But as of right now, you know, okay, sorry, it's too much. Okay. And then we have our budget inserts. Okay, budget inserts. Look, let me anything with budget, y'all know I'm trying to dip and dive into. This is so cute. It's like a small, like half size insert. So on the front, ooh, this feels good. So on the front you have your let me just turn this one over so I can show y'all and read. So on the front you have your income, you have your bills that you have to pay, and then down at the bottom you have your monthly summary, and then on the back you just have your expense tracker. Isn't that cute? Y'all know I'm about to cut some holes and then go ahead and just punch it in. I like to have these just as like little quick reminders on the go, especially if you're not carrying a particular planner with you every day. This is going to be perfect for you to just kind of jot some things down. So you may have a planner at home and then you may have one for on the go. And I think these will be perfect for my on the go planner. So that is adorbs. All right. And then you have your home zone cleaning areas. Now, I don't know about this. It's cute, but we ain't got that much home. We ain't got a whole lot of home, and I don't like cleaning, so this is, you know, a whole thing, but I like the idea behind it as well. This will be perfect for when that house come, you know what I'm saying, when that house get here. So you got the home zone cleaning area, and it has like a picture of the house or whatever, and then you down here you can just put your cleaning zones and what things you want to clean. And then you also, ooh, this has a little bit more. Let me dig a little deeper into this insert here. You have a monthly cleaning schedule. Then you also have a seasonal cleaning schedule. So you got spring, summer, fall, winter. Then you have family chores. Then you have your cleaning checklist. That's front and back. And then projects for your home. You have that sheet there. And then cleaning recipe. Okay. Ingredients, how to make, recipe name, use, difficulty, prep time. Oh, so this is for you people who, y'all see I said you people. This is for the ones that DIY their cleaning supplies and stuff like that. You know what? I bet you Keena would love this because, yeah, that's the whole thing. I ain't making nothing. I'm scared that, you know, I took a couple of science classes and I wasn't that girl that did really good. So I would not be touching the recipes. I leave that to the pros. Clorox, Lysol, them people. So next up we have this routine sheet here. Oh, this is cute. Hold on, let me pull. I feel like I'm not grabbing it correctly. There we go. So you have your routine schedule here. So you have your daily routine, weekly routine, monthly routine, and then at the bottom there's some notes. And then on the back you just have some of like the lined paper here. And this is really cute, so you can separate. Maybe you have different children or your husband and you and your child, however you want to do that. This just has your routine paper on there. I love it. And this paper is really nice. It feels like 32-pound paper, I would say. And even like the printing of it is really nice. You know when you can like feel the print on there, like rubbing my finger. Okay, sorry, that was too much, but that's what it feels. It feels really, really good. So I like those. And then we have our, ooh, daily sheets. Come on, dailies. Come on, daily sheets. Y'all know I'm a good, I love a good daily sheet, honey. And here we go. So it has your today, it has your date that you put up here. You can circle the month, and then you have your schedule. It goes from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Good job, Keita, because we be needing, you know, those extra times on there. I don't like when they stop at like 7 o'clock because I have more going on. So 9 o'clock is a really good cutoff time. And then it has your reminders, your to-dos, and then your meal plan over here, and then the notes section. So I think this is really cute. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 of these sheets in here. So 8 times 2, so you get 16 of the daily sheets. So that's pretty cool. Love that. And then you get your meal planner. So I am a really big person. Like, I am really big on you doing your meal planning. Meal prepping is great, but meal planning helps you to save money because you're not actually spending more than what you're actually going to make for that week or for the next 2 weeks, however you shop. So I really, really highly suggest doing meal planning where you plan out the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, especially like with kids being at home right now during this season. That way you're not overbuying and you're saving your money and you're not having too much. And it's just a whole thing. So I am really excited about these sheets, the meal planner sheets. And then on the back of there, you have the shopping list. So you're able to just put down your, like, it has it in categories, your produce, your meats, your breads, vegetables, all that stuff is on here. And then notes and ideas, and then any meal prep that you want to take place in. So you get several of those sheets too. Listen, I am so here for these because I highly suggest you guys looking into meal planning. I'll link a video to my meal planning secrets up there, just my tricks on like planning out your meals that you can use and stuff like that. It'll be up at the top, and I'm definitely about to use those inserts. All right, and then okay, we got a little special up in here. Okay, so we open it up. There's so much. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. Okay, wait, I feel like I'm going to, all right, let me see if I can show you all the things. Okay, so here we have one of the pockets. I love these little pockets. They remind me of the ones like you get from Target, from the dollar spot that teachers were getting. And this is just a small little pocket you can stick stuff in. Okay, cute. And then we have, I think this is the task card holder. Oh, I think I got some task cards. Okay, I'm trying to calm down. Y'all know I'm loud. I be trying to, let me calm down. Okay. Oh, it's the actual task cards. Y'all, it's the actual task cards. Okay, so here you go. We have the actual task cards, holders, or, you know, like things you could put them on. Or you can even use this as a washi card holder if you want to. Like, here, that's your choice. So these just fit. Let me see if they fit in here. Do they fit in here? They fit right into the little pockets. Here for it. I'm here for it. Y'all know I don't be watching people videos before, so if y'all like, okay, she said that. Okay, that's probably what she said. I did not watch. I try not to. I like to be surprised. I like the element of surprise for me, okay? It's a surprise for me. I'm sorry. I was going to go in, but I'm not. Okay, so then this one, it looks like this one just has the plans on it. Let me see. I'm trying to open it up so we can see it. So up here, it has plan your week, the fridge, groceries, dinner prep, appointment, laundry, chores. So I think this is what goes on the task card. See if it'll focus in. Probably not, because that's a whole thing. It probably won't focus in, but we thank you for trying. We thank you for your attempt. But yeah, that's what this is right here. And I think these go, I'm gonna have to watch and see how they go. I'm gonna have to, let me stick these here. We're gonna need some milk. I'm gonna need some help, because I need to know how this is supposed to go on here so I don't tear up stuff. All right, then we have a home card. Oh, this is so cute. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's so cute. I love it. Look at the background. So stinking cute. Okay, then we have a little notepad, not little, a sticky notepad, sorry. And it's sticky. Ow. And then it says this week on it, and it just has the like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday going on at the bottom. Super cute with the same like grayish, what is this, like mauve? It's like, I don't know if it's mauve. It's not really mauve because it's more like gray toned, and I don't know, maybe it is mauve. I don't know, my lights could be off too, so that could be a thing. So this is just super cute. I love that it has the sticky part on it. I like sticky notes. I do like notepads, but I prefer a sticky note because I can stick it to whatever makes me feel good. That's a thing. Okay, and then we have rose water. Ooh, rose water, a lavender mist. Hold on. This is a room and linen mist. Okay, this is a room. Okay. All right. I'm going to have to turn my candle off because I'm smelling the candle in this, and I'm like, I think I want this to smell. I think I want this to smell. This smells really good. It's rose water, room and linen mist. Super cute. Okay. I didn't know you was getting into the misting. You better come on. You better come on. Okay. Then you get another sticky note with just the dot grid on there. And I like that. I like it's just plain and simple. I can write my notes on there. I do like dot grids. And then it looks like, ooh, are these magnets? What are these magnets? Oh, that rose water. Oh, once it sits, like, you smell it at first, right? But like now that it's setting in, it's like it's just flowing all around me. Okay, that might be a little bit much. Okay, so these are magnetic page markers. So you can use these inside of your planner. So I would say, let's see how many pages it's gonna clip together. Let's see if it'll clip all of these. Okay, so it needs, this paper is like kind of thick. So you'll probably get like maybe two or three sheets without it. Oh, uh-oh, come back. Yeah, so it's about 2 sheets that you can fit on the page markers. I like those because they are magnetic, okay? Just enough to hold your stuff together. And then we got some cuteness up in here. Come through packaging, okay? I like that. I like the packaging, your name all on it. With your name on it. Come on, fancy plans. All right, so then we have the dots. I love these. Y'all know I love these a lot. We have our dots. Then we have our little check boxes. Like, I like these so you can just check things off. And then we have, looks like some little headers. with the colors and stuff on it, with that like same theme over there. This is so cute. These are my colors, y'all. These are like seriously my colors. If I had to say, well, actually, I guess I do have, these are my colors, like seriously, my branding colors that I've been using. So this is right on trend for me. Okay, it's the colors for me. All right, then we have the tabs over here. So you have your cleaning tab, family tab, routine, meal planner, finances, tasks, fitness, and home. So you can use these as tabs on the side of your planner. So that is really cute. Wow, we got a whole lot of stuff in this kit. I can't remember how much I paid for it, y'all. I'm so sorry. Oh wait, we got more. Child, I got two more of these. So it comes with 3. So you get 1 for each one. You get a pocket for each. You better come on. You better come on. Come all the way through. So this is the home box, you guys, from Fancy Plans. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you loving all that comes in it? Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff that you get. And this is totally amazing. I love the color scheme. And I think I'm most excited, to be honest, about this. Like, this is super different. Like, who giving you mist? You know what I'm saying? Rose water mist. Okay, come through, Misty. I'm gonna go mist this whole little area up in here. Mist it on. Better missed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out fancyplans.com so that you can too, so that you too can get in on this gorgeousness, on all of this stuff. Sometimes she does have some extras left over, so make sure that you stay tuned so you can get in on that. And she has a Patreon. She has a whole bunch of stuff, you guys. Go check her out. It's AtHomeWithQuita on YouTube, and then LittleMissFancyPlans.com or FancyPlans.com, whichever one y'all, you know, y'all look, go find my girl, okay? That's all I'm saying. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah. KK, bye.